So, hi everyone. We will be starting in 2 minutes. Let's wait for some other peoples to join us.
Hello.
Yeah, you're audible, Bharat. We are also live. So, yeah, I hope my screen is also visible.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Thank you. Okay, so let's just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will start. Till then, you can write your name in the attendees list. And also, if you have not added any of the agenda items that you want to discuss, you can add them. Okay, so let me take a look who have joined us. Okay, Saurav is here. Saurav is here. Avni is here. Aryan is here. Harshit. Harshit has a PR to discuss. Aryan has three PRs, I think. Yeah. And Rajesh. I'm not sure if Rajesh will join us. So in case any of you like Avni or Saurabh, you have any of the PRs that you want to discuss today, you can add them. Because I'm not sure if people who have written their issues here, like Rajesh, will be joining or not. Himanshu is also here. Himanshu also has a PR to discuss. Yes, Afzal. So majorly we will be like discussing only PRs, basically sites PRs that have already been raised regarding the websites. So we will be discussing them majorly today. The website call is majorly only for that, to discuss the PRs that are here. So in case you have any issue or you want feedback on them, so we discuss them here.
And if you have doubt, you can just wait for end and you
Yeah,
can ask that.
it's not necessary you only need to have a PR. In case there's an issue and you want to have a discussion on it or to ask doubts related to it, you can. Okay, so I think we should start. So hi everyone, I welcome you all to Meshri's website meeting. So basically the primary objective of this meeting is to discuss all of the front-end based PRs related to all the sites we have listed here, starting from layer 5.io, docs.io, mystery.io, assistant, layer 5 cloud. So we'll be discussing all of the PRs that you guys have added here, and we will providing feedback. And if there is any improvement that needs to be done, or there's any blockade that you're not able to overcome, so we will be helping that. So let's get started. So I think first we should start with Harshit. Harshit is here today with us. So Harshit, you can share your screen and you can like make us go through your PR. So are you here? I'm not
Should I
sure.
share or uh, is it okay if I don't?
Is it okay?
Or you can see the file changes there only itself, there itself.
Oh, you're not able to like produce. Okay, okay, let me take a look. Sure. Okay, you're updating the banner. Got it.
There was some issues with the alignment of items. So in mobile view, so I fixed that.
Okay, let me take a look. Regarding this page. Okay, so regarding this page, right?
Yes. Hmm.
Okay, let's see. So on mobile view, basically, yeah. Yeah, basically on mobile view, it becomes something like this. Okay, this is the first one. And
This was only the issue, I guess. If you contract it more, then the text will overflow. Yeah.
okay, so let me see. Got it. Okay, it's like this.
You can copy the URL and paste it.
Let us check. Okay. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, so I think this was the only thing there.
Yes, the issue mentioned that only.
I think
If you
for
see the issue, there was the screenshot for
okay,
this
okay. I
part
think
only.
yeah, someone already solved this one because this one also was there then.
So
There
the
were
is
some around 8 pages that had the same issue.
Yeah,
So
yeah, I will take a look at that. Okay, so you adjusted this, got it. Okay, so one thing here, like why you added this color is equal to white. You don't need to add this necessarily. Like don't hard code it. It will automatically be applied majorly as much
okay,
as you know. So remove this. Rest you have applied flex or app yachts code and some padding. I think you did same for each and every one, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so you did for all of the pages. Got it. Yeah. Here, yeah, here the suggestion would be yeah. The color and font size, I don't think you need to add font size also because it will be automatically applied from the top. So
So should I remove them right now?
yeah, do one thing, just remove the color. Check if font size
Okay.
after doing font size if it is good. They're not necessarily now, but yeah, it's the like the feedback that we are providing on your repo on your PR. Okay, got it. So you're not using any, got it. Yeah, so I don't think Bharat there's any other thing to see here.
yeah, I don't think
It's
so.
just some
Just
flex.
the extra CSS is not required.
Yeah. So I think this one is done. Do you have any other thing to share?
No, as such, I had another pull request, but I have not worked on that right now.
So
So the changes you told after making that, I will need not join again, right? For the same PR.
no, not for the same PR, but if you have any other PR in the future,
Yeah, that I will join.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
For this one, they will not be required.
Okay.
I think you already have received some feedback also. Yeah. Don't hard code colors because like they are implemented from the top. So if you hard code it, then during the light mode, you will not be able to like there will be like the color will always remain the same and the text will not appear.
Yeah, understood.
Got it. Sure. Thanks a lot, Harshit, for your PR. Next, we have Rajesh. I'm not sure if Rajesh has joined us. Same happened last time also. So let me take a look. No, I don't think is here today. So for now, we will jump to next PRs. Then if he will join back, then we would jump there back. So next we have some PR from Aryan Shah. I think we discussed this PR last time. There was some, yeah, Aryan, you can share your screen and help us go through your PR. Thanks a lot for sharing.
Yeah. So for last time, I was told to look into like the props and other more inputs. So
Yeah,
we
yeah.
added success
Yes.
password.
Yeah.
So I've added
Yeah. In the, oh, yeah, yeah, we can show.
for this year.
Yeah, do the colors like on the top like show in above it, above. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This one. Yeah, yeah. This one. This one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can you want to go back to the overview page and add multi-line? Yeah. Yeah. Input types. That's also good. Yeah. In customization options, I think if you will write props,
Yeah.
uh,
Okay.
that would be like fine because that makes much sense. Like instead of customization options, if you will write props yeah, I think props would be good one because it makes sense like directly a person can
Yeah.
will be
Okay.
directly
I'll
able
take it.
to color. Yeah, yeah, it's label. Yeah, well, let me once take a look from there. Yeah, I got it here. So you have followed from the MUI, like from the MUI have you checked?
Yeah. Yeah. I have reference from.
Yeah. Yeah, the helper text was good, color is also good, placeholder is also good, required field is also there, disabled you have added also. Yeah, disabled is also there.
But I don't think so. Disabled is anywhere used in the code base.
You're telling?
The disabled ones aren't used anywhere.
Yeah, like if they're not used, but if they it is like the prop is there, so
Yeah.
it can be added because it will not cause any trouble. Because we
So
use like in cloud, I think in cloud we use for the permissions. For example, if but we use for buttons, but if it's receiving this prop, then you can use it. It's like you can keep it there. So this looks good to me. Varad, have you like, is there anything that you want?
Yeah, no, actually, I went through the code in the morning and gave some feedbacks. Now I think so. It's incorporated. The buttons were actually not theme based, but I think it's now fixed.
Okay, we got it.
so the next PR I had like in the Devrel page of layer 5.
Yeah.
Here Meshri badge is used, which has to be replaced by the meshmate badge.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mesh
so
kit
if
or mesh map.
no, meshmate. So
Okay.
here in the repo, if you see there, the meshmate badge is added.
Yeah.
It's not present here in the like URL and in the code base. If you
Yeah, you're telling that it's not in the layer 5 code base, right?
like to use PNG, but in the code it is used as HTTPS URL. So we can see the comments.
Like you can do one thing. You can just like for example, it's not in the asset is not present in the layer 5. You can just copy like download it from there and edit in the asset. It will like be consistent. Is there any
Yeah.
issue in that?
So, like in the code base, the URL is here. I have to add the image here and use it from
Okay, you're telling that you have to follow. Okay, got it. So you have to edit first to the badges.layer5.io.
yeah, how like because the badge is already present in the repo, but it is not being displayed on this list.
Yeah, you can do one thing if you can open a report regarding this. So anyone could.
The badge is also already present in the layer 5, right? Repo.
Yeah, in the Shri extensions package, it is present.
Yeah, it's just not listed. That's the issue.
Yeah, use it from here. And regarding that, you can also open a issue and edit there if it's not present there.
Yeah. To also like in the docs, if you visit this website,
Yeah.
new visit it, this search bar takes autofocus and it gets the white value.
Yes.
So I tried to fix it, but while fixing it, I found that it gets some injected style sheet, like it has the important. So I can't override it.
Oh,
I wasn't possible to override it without the star.
yeah, regarding this one, like check first, first check if they're like inside the SCSS. Check inside the SCSS if there is somewhere it's being applied on the top because it follows the precedence. So you have
Yeah,
to
like I tried increasing the specificity. I did found this styling in the code anyway. Like it's being injected from some
yeah, it would
package
be
of that.
it would be inside the, for example, you will see there would be some of the SCSS files. Inside
Mhm.
docsy files will be there. Majorly it would be there, and you have to like modify it from there. In case if it's not there, if it is directly coming from the docsy theme, like it's overwritten inside, then this makes sense. But you have to first check because I also once got it by I checked that, but I was able to find that if I would modify it at the top level using the same class, then you would be able to do it. Do one thing like check the SCSS files. Using search, you would not be able to find it particularly because these are the inner classes. So you have to find the top class. Yeah, you have to find the top class, and yeah, majorly it would be in SCSS. One minute, let me take a look at your PR also. Okay, this one is here. Yeah, so you have removed this one, TD search. Yeah, TD search. Yeah, and when you will focus. Okay, so you're telling that this is like it's coming from the Doxy theme, right?
Yeah.
Mm. Without, yeah, if it's coming from the Doxy theme, then you will not be able to like without using important, you will not be able to modify it. But yeah, do you think like
We
Varat?
can we can do one thing, remove the doxy search bar and put ours.
Yeah, we can do, but still, yeah, we can do that, but that one would be like removing the components completely because we are overwriting it with Doxy, and that makes sense here. So yeah, but once do one thing, once take a look again at the, I think it would be in SCSS files inside the layer 5 own, like as we import a doxy theme, it would not appear completely in search. It happens to me also once. It would not appear in search because the file would be large. So either you can do that, or if you're not able to find, then you can implement like remove the HTML for it. You can implement your own search.
Yeah.
Would
I
be,
also had a PR in the Meshri, like it's also front end related. So shall I share?
yeah, yeah. So 1 minute related to this, like do take a look first. Do take a look inside the code base if you're able to like modify it using the .td.so directly.
Yeah,
In case you're not able to do that, then you can like try if removing the HTML and adding your own custom HTML will do it. Otherwise, this will be the only option there, because when we are imposing doxy on top, so the CSS prediction will be of doxy. So then we will. So once do take a look.
sure.
Yeah, once do take a look, because using important it causes trouble in future, because if someone else came and is editing in some other place, he will fall in the same issue as you are following currently.
Yeah,
So do take a look at it.
shall I share the PR for the Meshri? Like it's
Uh,
related for the front end.
yeah, definitely share. I will once write comment on your this one PR. Yeah, you can share. Okay.
Yeah, I've shared the PR link in the Zoom chat. So
Yeah, let me take a
you
look. Okay, you can like talk about it.
yeah, it fixes this. The component cards were like not in the same size, and few components were missing. So I have added the extensions or the extensions and made the cards of the same size.
Like, can you once show which cards were not available and have you added them? Playground. Let's play. I will write it in the chat box for a bit. You have to add playground in the front. Playground.meshty.io.
Yeah. So like there were three extensions I guess which were not present here and that were on the Shri. So yeah,
Okay, so you added Helm, you added Canvas.
QCTL missing. Yeah, these three were EFI Cloud, kubectl plugin, and kubectl missing.
You added three.
Yeah, these three were not present in this, and the cards were not of uniform size. So it fixes these.
There are 19 inside the Meshtree IO extensions. There are 19
Yeah,
extensions.
most of them are present to add the beginning of the note.
Okay, can you once show the video? Yeah, just refresh. In case it's not visible, just refresh the page, it will work. Yeah. Yeah, so you added. Okay. Yeah, I think this is good. I will once take a look at the code base and I mean at your PR regarding the code. Then otherwise it's good. From the content side, it's good.
Yeah, that's it from my side.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. It was very
Yeah.
nice.
I have requested for a review.
Requested for?
Yeah. Another thing, for review, also I had to share an PDF. Is the screen visible?
Yeah, screen is visible.
Yeah. So just a suggestion for the UI input. For the dialog code section, like if you see any other code, it's not like this. There is the part is highlighted and the main content is like at the
In the
center.
middle. Yeah.
Yeah. So I have created an issue for it. It will finally look something like this.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah, it would be nice if you add a border to just.
Yeah. So I have created the issue for it. Just this one thing.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah,
Yes, Vardhi.
Thank you. Thank you.
yeah, it looks good. Just add the border around it, and it would be good to merge.
Yes. I have to yeah. Is my screen visible?
No.
The screen is stopped. Okay. Thanks for telling me. Okay. Yeah, let's move forward. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, so we are done with Aryan. Thanks a lot, Aryan. Your PRs were nice. Okay, and okay, next we have who is with us today then. Yeah, we have, I think, Rajesh has not yet joined, so we will jump to Vatsal. Vatsal, if you are here.
Yeah, I'll just share my screen.
Yeah, please.
Okay, so this was a small PR. There were some inconsistencies in the bid, like
Yeah,
the 16 to
first,
9 issue that it was wrong.
yeah, first, if you will tell us about the issue, it would be easier for us to then see
Oh,
the result.
okay. It was a very it was a simple issue that there were some inconsistencies in the width of the homepage of layers.io. If we go to the website, then the width of this, like the width of the navbar and the width of the hero section is not the same. Also, if we check here, uh, just a second. Also, if we check here, the ratio that this was wrong. There was a small error. It should be 56.25%. It was 50.65%. And also, this was there was an error that if I just check it out on the small in a bigger screen, if I zoom this out, then it is the width is not consistent. The width of this video gets somehow it gets bigger and the text gets smaller. Like, both the things didn't have the same parent class.
Okay, so you're telling
I
that
guess
different.
these are some my
Yeah.
yeah like
Okay, so now,
this video and this text didn't have the same parent class, and the this video was getting bigger by default when I did check it out in a bigger screen.
okay, can you show your PR your deployed one site?
Okay. This one is like this one flex is more consistent. The
Can you go to 100%? Yeah.
the text it's on 100%.
Can you go at a bit?
The text is aligned with the navbar.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, the text is not aligned. The text like the width is more than the navbar.
Can you like
There's
move,
it is aligned.
bottom to
Sorry.
a, just scroll down?
Hey, there's nothing more changes in the bottom. It's like it was good, I guess, in the bottom.
So you just changed the hero section.
Yeah, like there were just issue in the hero section only. The rest all the things were same. There was
Yeah,
no width issue, I guess.
would you mind just
If we check
decreasing
here
this,
also.
resizing the window? I
If
mean,
we
on
check,
the
yeah, if we check here also, there I guess I don't think there's an issue.
No, no, don't do this. Like just like use the responsive one. Use like open the console log and resize it using yeah. Open the console log and you can like resize it from there.
No problem.
Yeah. Like the issue was read as like the issue I'm reading. The issue is telling that the hero section has one width and the other components that are below it have different widths. Can you go to the scroll to the top now?
Yeah.
Yeah, scroll. Yeah, don't like just scroll to the top.
on the screen
Okay,
of
it's on
the.
the top. Yeah, I'm on it. Okay, the changed width.
Like slow, you can like slow down. Don't like just open the console log once. Yeah. Okay, now show your site. Okay, now show your site. Yeah, yeah, you're showing. Okay. Like open the opening responsive one. Yeah. Show only the hero section that you have modified.
This is the modified one, which you are saying.
So, okay.
Yeah, would you mind showing the current deployed ones? There are five.
He's
No,
showing the deployed one basically.
no,
Basically
not
telling
the
that
original one. The original. Original.
Or this one, this is the original one.
I mean the layer five. I
There
am.
was not some major issue. There were some minor issues like
Yeah,
B,
just
some
yeah,
like
yeah,
it
just
was a calculation specific. Then there was one issue that I found that the parent class is not same for these two, the text and the video. I did like there were just two major changes that I did. I think
yeah. It would be good if you separate the two issues and make two different PRs for the same.
so this PR like you're talking about
uh,
like okay you have moved all of them inside one parent container. So their max width is now same.
yeah, these two, well, these two things, yeah. This video and this text.
Okay. On like bigger screen, yeah, you're showing it like this. Initially it was like this. The video becomes smaller one. Like I'm not completely
Yeah, the
sure
video somehow becomes to the class.
or not because the video should be a little bit bigger. Bharat, what do you think about this?
What I'm thinking is the issue means the result solution would be that they should be scaling down proportionally, not you should make them of equal size.
Yeah. And the video should at least be a little bit bigger than other components, as it's the hero section.
Okay. But
Yeah, because here you
it's okay.
can
Okay. I'll change that thing to that the video should be somewhat bigger than the other things.
yeah, video should be because it's the hero section. Hero section is tend to be bigger than the other components. Okay, I got it. You have basically made
This time,
components same.
I think there were some other issues like other uh, width issues in the rest of the section. The most prevalent like error I got was this, and I just hit and tried some more width, like which one is getting perfect.
Like I'm not able to properly hear. Like you're telling there was issues also.
There was not much issues. Like when I checked for what are the web issues I'm getting, there were not much issues in the like lower part of the website. The most prevalent issue I got was in the hero section only.
Okay, got it. You basically made all of them of same width, and you also maintained the aspect ratio of it. Oh no, you maintained the padding.
Yeah, yeah,
You basically made all of them 600 pixels and put them inside. Okay, you made the video also 600 pixel, and you basically put all of them inside the same container to have same width.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not completely like sure should we do this or not, but yeah, PR like it looks good. I do think that it looks good because it makes it consistent. But yeah, I will just take a one more look and I will comment below your PR because the issue you have like solved.
Yeah, sure, I'll wait for you.
The issue was asking you have like maintained. The issue was asking about the width to maintain them, and you have already maintained them consistently. So yeah, I will just check once if it looks good, and I will once take a look at. So yeah,
Yeah, sure, thanks.
yeah. Yes, here one media quality. Hmm. Okay, there's the same changes. It's just okay. Let's move forward. Next, we have Himanshu. Himanshu, if you're there,
Yeah, hi.
yeah, you can share your screen.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, definitely. Go ahead.
Let me know if the screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
So the issue was there was no max width added to this section of to the learning paths page. So all the images were quite broad, quite increased in width. So I added a max width to the images and the necessary CSS styling. I got a comment also that the images, if they have a max width, they need to be center aligned. So I modified it accordingly, and currently it looks something like this.
Can you move a bit above?
Yeah, sure. So I've added a max width of 500 pixel to all the images.
Yeah, can you
And
once like show in responsive?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, it looks good. I don't think there's any issue.
I
Yeah, you
received a
want to
sorry.
just one. Is this only on this page or
Yeah,
is there?
the issue was only for this page, so I modified only this page.
No,
So
like
what's the case with other pages? Means
yeah,
why is there the issue is not there or it's the result
No,
other way?
it's there. It's there.
yeah. So like either you can create a new issue like for all the pages
Sure,
and then create PR for them also in the same manner.
sure. I would create a issue for the other pages also.
Yeah. And
Is
instead of like here, for example, here what you are doing, like as you can see, like you are using the same style to every image.
correct.
So rather than adding it, you can just make a class and just add the class.
Okay, fine. That also works. Sure.
That would be much better, because rather than adding the same thing, copy pasting again and again, it would be much better if you convert it into a class and just add a class here to the images.
Sure.
Yeah, otherwise it's good. So that in future, any other person will also use the same class.
Okay, fine. Fine. Yeah, this PR is fine, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I would create new issues for the remaining pages.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Okay, let me share my screen again. I have also commented on your PR. Okay, we are done with Himanshu also. Aryan already shared. Avni has something to share. Avni, if you're here, you can share your screen and talk about your issue.
Yes. In a minute.
Yeah, definitely.
Uh,
Single release entry for this in the table.
is my screen visible? Hello?
I think it's just, yeah, now it's visible.
So this is the issue I raised a week back. In the release section, there was this version missing, which was V08109. So someone raised a PR against it,
Yeah.
and I guess someone reviewed it also. It was Tapas, I guess. Yeah. In a minute. Mhm. Uh, where is it? Yeah, the thing is, they entered a new release entry for this. So there is a duplicacy for the same date, which I
Okay.
checked last time. But someone approved it, and it was Tapas, I guess, Bashleon. And you can review it and help me get this issue moving. Sorry, and get this issue moving.
So
So
presume you
what's
are
the
doing
issue?
that. Yeah. You
So
can talk.
what's the issue?
Sorry.
What is the issue? I mean, the
The
duplicacy is the
issue,
issue or not present is not the issue.
the issue is for the same date we have now matlab for the same release we have two, but uh, the problem was that there is null.md file for it,
Yeah.
and they created a new file for that version. So there is duplicacy. Either we can remove that null.md and go with this, or we can alter the null.md for it. For the same date, we have two releases.
Yeah, so
So
basically
So
someone was not aware that how to do it, and they created a whole new MD file for it.
yes, exactly.
Now you can do one thing, as you can comment below this issue
I
and
have
tell.
already. This is my comment.
Okay, you have already commented. Then
Yeah.
yeah, there's no problem. I will once again. Yeah, there's no
so
problem
so,
in it. Yeah, if you
so
comment.
the
Yeah,
the
yeah.
null.md has some content or not? Means it's
It has
empty or
only the date for it.
so means somebody has created. Yeah, so it would
Yeah,
be
it's
good if it deleted.
yeah. If you have commented, then it's good.
I'm
Someone.
working on other issues. I
Yeah,
will submit a PR for it soon.
yeah. Sure.
Yeah, I guess there is one more that has a DCU error. So it would be good if you just take a look in it and get it resolved. So it's good to merge as well.
Sorry, which one? Navigating one?
Yeah, I guess there is some DCU error in one of your PRs.
Yeah, I'm trying to fix it. I'll fix it soon.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
just like you just have to add a commit to your
Yeah.
previous commit, like
Yes.
send by. So if you don't have the docs, do you have the docs nearby that
Yeah,
explain
no, I couldn't
you?
find some.
Yeah, if you got it, just share that link inside the chat. It will explain how you can fix the DCU issue and make it automated for future.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's move forward. Rajesh has not joined. Okay, so we have two PRs from Saurabh. Saurabh, if you are here, you can
Yes,
please.
yes, I am here. Hello.
Yeah, please. Yeah, definitely. Please share your screen.
Okay. Mhm.
Your screen is stuck. It's stuck on. Saurabh has started sharing. Okay,
Hello.
if you are not able to share, then let me take let's us just discuss your PR in case you are not able to share it because your screen
So
is
it's
stuck.
crashes, Zoom crashes.
Okay, let me take a look. So basically the issue was that you have to add a resize icon here, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so first of all, have you tested it inside the canvas?
Yes, screenshot from there.
Okay, you edit
But I
yeah,
have question. It is hard coded. Do you have to add functionality in this?
like it's not working. 1 minute.
It is hard coded resize icon. Issue don't explain only to add icon. So I added icon only.
Like and if the issue says you have to like add 1 minute, let me take a look at the issue first.
Okay.
Okay, so basically match the placement. Okay, code to create the mockup is here.
So the issue says to add an indicator. The picture add this beside indicator. So is it present or
Indicator ki panel. I thought it is inside panel. Yeah.
no? So means
Add this resize indicate.
indicate. If I'm not wrong, is it about a tooltip or
Like what you have done. 1 minute. So like initially, if we check in the playground, let's take a look in the playground once. So initially we don't have this inside playground. Do we have?
No, we don't.
Okay, if we don't have this. Shared this, and you have one more thing that I don't think yet you have to like create it from scratch. There would be already a
No,
resizer.
it will be created from Sky. There is no previous file, I think.
Okay, there's not. Have you checked the code base?
Therefore, I added from scratch.
Like I'm not sure about this one. I have to take a look at what this.
There is nothing in codebase
Yeah,
about a resize icon, so I
sorry.
added from scratch.
Like either because this PR, the issue does not signify what it exactly wants.
I thought
yeah,
it was
you
about only adding resize icon.
Ensure light, okay, match the placement shown. Code use it to create a mockup is below. Yeah, I think that we need to add this so that this will be a
I-
resizer. Like
I-
first would be either it would be that you have to just add a resize icon inside the code base.
I think it is should we add resize icon to explain we can increase and decrease the size of panel. Just to explain, it can be increased or decreased. Functionality
no.
is already there.
Varad, what do you think about this one?
Yeah, I guess the code Amit give there is like the functionality and you have just to add the icon there. I'm not sure about
Functionality, I think functionality is present. We have to only add an icon.
yeah, would you mind Fahim checking the canvas to check if it's not present?
No, it's not present. He's
No,
telling
no,
me.
layer. Click on layers. Uh,
It's not there, no.
uh.
Is it
But we
resizable window?
but we can increase and decrease the
Yeah,
size
but
of this
it's
panel.
resizable from here.
It collapses.
Yeah, so
So
one thing, like,
resizable in the sense of size of decrease and increase.
I think that we need to like talk about this issue inside Slack because I'm not completely aware of why. Because we already have a collapsible icon here.
We have collapsed, but it is for the resize of panel. For increasing decreasing, which is a functionality there already. We have to add just to explain, like other website have the icon.
Yeah, I will once.
I think. Yes.
Yeah, I will once take a look at it,
Okay.
and I will ask the one who created this issue, and I will provide you the proper explanation what exactly, because like it's not your mistake. You have done exactly what the issue says,
Hmm.
but the problem is that it's not completely asking. It's just asking what the issue should look like what the icon should look like. It's not asking about its functionality. So I will take a look at
Functionality
it.
is present there. We can increase and decrease the size of a panel.
Yeah, it's from here. Yeah, that's why we're asking that why do we need an
It is for collapse. We can increase the width and the height of panel.
like you're telling this works inside it.
Huh.
Yeah, would you mind checking
I
Fahim
will
on?
I will once run it locally. I will check it, and if
Okay.
it's good, then I will approve it
Okay.
because we need to check inside the Canvas code base once. Yeah, you can you have one more PR. You can share about that.
Uh,
Yeah, this one is. Yeah, regarding this one. Okay. Yeah, so have you made any changes after we talked? I don't think, yeah, you have not made change. Yeah, so basically, like here you can see, for example, you don't have to edit conditionally. For example, let me show you. So what you have, yeah, you can.
I have updated after that comment, but when you
No, I don't think that you have updated. But I checked your code base once. You have used the conditionals once. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, here you can see you have passed this. And here you are using for if it's for from the props, you're asking it from the props if it's true or false, and in case if it is true, then you are using this one, otherwise you are using this one. So basically this one goes you don't have to do it insistent, because the palette file that are shared with you will automatically work on that. You just have to try 2 or 3. For example, this one in dark mode you will see that it will be dark, but in lighter mode you will see that it will be white. And the same goes for text. If you use text, you will see text dot inverse. For example, in dark mode it will be white, and in white mode it will be dark. So you don't have to specify exactly like this. If you will just use proper colors that are inverse of each other, then whenever you change the mode, it will automatically, you don't have to do it like this. You just have to add only one of them.
But I think this is used by other files also. Other files also use custom tool.
Yeah.
But if we don't specify here, then other cards also collapse. Means in light mode, they are text are not visible in some cards. There is some issue in other cards. Therefore, I specify for the specific part.
Yes, you are right regarding that, because one thing is here, as this tooltip is used also in cloud, and cloud we don't have dark mode. So what you can do, rather than modifying it completely, because we don't change it, rather than modifying it completely to white mode, because in cloud also, if I will show you, it will be black and the text will be white. So only thing that you can do, you can when you change it to white mode, you see that this color change, this text changes here. So just keep it also using system token, keep it always white. So if it will be in dark mode, or it will be in white mode, it will always be like this. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say?
Not really.
Yeah, so let me once show you. So for example, this is used everywhere. And if you will like modify it properly, then it will work. But in case if you're not able to properly like do it, then you can do one thing. As you can see, this text was recently added to it, this open recents. And you can see in the top one, in the when we have dark mode, this is white. And when we are in light mode, this is white. So just do one thing, keep this, do the same behavior with open recents also. So it will always remain white because the background is always black.
Okay.
Are you able to understand? Because if you will like use improper system token, then what will happen at some places where we use them, the issue will appear that it will not work properly. Or either if you are able to do it using that, then there is no problem, because we use it. For example, you can see here the background is always black and the text is always white.
I have to keep background black and text white for rather than background of color.
Either if, for example, you are not able to like do it like this, and at places you are seeing that it's not having any like regression issue, because you have already reached this point. So like make sure if in light mode it's working like exactly like this, and you are using the system, because you are using system properly, you're not like using conditionals. If you're able to reach this state, then it's excellent. In case not, then as this is a priority issue, you can like keep it like the name, so that it will work both in dark mode and light mode. Are you able to get? Do more, but once do try using the system tokens. Because it is possible that you will be able to make it compatible with light mode. You can take a look at some of the other
files.
For example,
Work space.
Here you can see this like, and if I would like change the preference, you can see, for example, see this one. That would be in mobile mode. For example, you can see that here. Now we have black background. Now we have white background and black text. And if I will go, now we have, you can see black background and white text. So initially we are having white background and black text.
I will keep background white for light mode, but
you have like, it's not compulsory. You just have to make it so that it will not cause any issue.
Okay.
And it is like, it's recommended that you are able to match this, because we are opening it exactly in like we are directly opening it side by side. So if you're able to match this scheme, this color scheme, then it would be really good. And you can see that it is possible using system. You can check the code for here. We are not using condition, we are just using system token. You can see that it is possible to make it like that. You can see that.
I will update soon.
Yeah, I hope that you are able to get. It might be a little bit confusing in the start, because system tokens, like you have to like first use them properly, and then you will be able to understand their behavior. So yeah,
it's hard to build.
Yeah, it's basically in start it's a little hard to actually like recognize what to use. So that's why it's recommended that you take example from an existing code base. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. Okay, we are done with Saurabh. Do we have any other
Sorry, Fahim, I just added a new doc layer, 5.ao on the top. The docs. There, yeah, that one. Nice to meet you all. How you doing?
Fine, everyone fine. How are you?
Good. It's my first time here doing this PR review with you guys.
Yeah. Thanks a lot for joining us. Okay, if you can share your screen and like help us go through your PR.
Okay. I just want to say something before showing. Is I call some of you guys on the comments of
Yeah,
that
yeah.
PR bots. So
Yeah,
I want to say
read it.
sorry. I want to say sorry. I feel really bad. Sorry.
Yeah, I read it because basically the message was same. That's why a person would definitely think that. You can share your screen and like show us the changes. Make the color continuously slowly shifting. Okay.
Do you guys see the screen?
Yeah, we are able to see your screen.
Okay, the only thing I changed is basically this CSS tag. This was multiple linear gradients stuck on top of each other. I simplify it by doing some single RGB values and turning it to this
Like you can
degrees.
just show the result because I'm able to see the code
Yes,
from here.
this is the result. It's just fading away from left to right slowly, and then it will reappear here and go again. It's really subtle. It's not.
Yeah, I got it. You basically added an animation and it's moved. It goes from golden, then moves to the right, and then the left part becomes white. Okay.
Yes.
Continuously, slowly shifting. Yeah.
It's a really small change, like 20 lines, I think.
Yeah, I think it looks good, and you have like matched the previous one. The previous color was.
I try though because it were I don't remember well, but I think it was like 8 different colors, a bunch
I
of
think you
colors
have
stuck
matched.
on each other.
I do think that you have matched it. And you have added an animation slowly shifting it. Yes, you have added an animation of slowly shifting it. I think it's good.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, guys, so we are about time. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining us today.
Actually, I left in between and my PR is left.
Okay, let's take a quick review at it.
Yeah.
Okay, you can share your screen.
Yes, just a minute. Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So this was the issue I was working in for.
Yeah.
And basically the issue was that at this page,
Okay, the keychains were not present there.
yeah, it showed undefined. So I fixed that. I basically raised 2 PRs and one of it got closed.
Okay.
And I'm waiting for review on this one, but nobody replied.
Yeah, we will definitely after this it will be merged. Can you just show the code once?
Okay.
Okay,
I just removed these slices, and these were slicing the IDs actually.
Okay, you trimmed them. Okay.
And I removed the unnecessary data to the process data.
Where exactly you got the data? Was it already present there?
Yes, it's in keys.csv.
Okay,
Basically, this file.
changed the okay, it was already present there. You just changed it. No, just show the code base. That would be much fine. Okay, you basically, yeah.
Well, I did not change anything more than that. It was just a name changes because it was not actually a second column now. So I changed it to moniker column.
Okay. Can you like one thing that you can do? Have you added a copy button on the yeah, either add a copy button on the right of each of your permission key,
Okay.
Or whenever someone clicks on the permission key, it will be copied and a message will be copied to clipboard.
Uh, and and this one, the bonus part of this issue, to make the table sortable, you
Yeah.
told me that already sorting behavior is present in other tables, but I could not find it anywhere.
Yeah. 1 minute. Can you just go to the top once? Yeah. So regarding, it's in mesh tree, na. So
Yes.
So in mesh tree, you have to like make use of MUI data tables. You will see there will be MUI data tables.
MU.
Yeah, MUI data tables would already be present. You have to import it from Systent. And in that, what happens, you just have to pass a prop like sort is equal to true. And then it will be sorted based on alphabetically order.
Oh,
You have to
alright.
for that, I think you have to modify the entire, if it's not in MUI data tables, which I think it's not.
Okay. I'll look into it.
Yeah, you just take a look, and for example, if you will go, if you if Meshito Playground at Meshito.io, you can see we have user tables for connections, and when you will click on the top, you will see that they are able to sort, and we are using MUI data tables that are imported from System. You have to just
Okay.
import it and put the data.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So in case you have any other questions, we can round up.
I have a question. Like, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So the thing is, I was asking you about like to give that form, that link for the form, and I was not able to access that link. So
Okay.
because of that, yeah, my name is Chetan Jangid. Hi guys. So I'll share you my screen. A bit of changes I had it at the last night. So yeah, is it visible to you?
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, so it's a Mishri.io repository, and I clone that and run into my local machine, and I get some fixes
Like
into like
you can show the issue, like what was the issue for?
yeah. So this is the issue. Like the video is not like loading here, and it's going to get a error. And I did some changes on like embedded link is not there, so I changed the embedded link, and that's all.
Okay, the link was not present there. There was a wrong link.
Yeah. So the link was not embedded. So yeah,
Okay.
you can get my point. I think so.
Yeah. So basically, if that was the only change, you can see your PM. Yeah, that would be good then.
Yeah. Can you please repeat that? I think the network is not.
You're asking about the link. I have shared the link.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, we need to wind up.
Hey Fahim, like I have a last question. Could you give me your 2 minutes, please?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, actually, I'm new to Mystery. Hi, this is Afsal.
Yes.
So I'm looking to contribute into the Mystery projects. So is there any beginner-friendly issues or something?
Yeah. So you can do one thing, as this is your first time.
Yeah.
I've shared a link inside chat. It will be giving you a link to our calendar, and every Thursday we have a newcomers meet in which we discuss about the project, how to contribute, and what are the good first issues.
Okay.
So you can just go to it. It will provide you a calendar, and you can see on Thursdays we have a newcomer meet at 6:30 p.m.
Okay.
You can directly join us there.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. And how can I connect with you, like over the Slack or somewhere?
In Slack also, and I will also provide in the newcomers meet. I will provide all the ways you can communicate with all the maintainers.
Cool. So you will be there in the newcomers meet, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.